Install N8N on AWS. In today's video, you are going to learn how to install N8N on AWS. So let's get started. First, log into your AWS Management console and navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Now, in the EC2 dashboard, what you will see all of these options. Now, here, launch a new instance using the Ubuntu Server 0 or 2.04 LTS AMI. Choose an instance type right here that suits your need. T2.micro is sufficient for testing purpose. Now, configure the instance details, add storage if necessary, and set up security groups to allow HTTP, HTTPS, and SSH access. Now update your package list with sudo api update and install Node.js, npm, and other dependencies. Next, install N8N globally using npm with the command npm install n8add-g. To keep N8N running continuously, consider using a process manager like pm2 start n8add with N8N start or pm2 start N8N. For better security and accessibility, set up a reverse proxy using Nginx and secured via SSL certificate from Encrypt. This setup ensures your N8N instance is accessible via domain name with HTTPS. By following these steps, you can successfully deploy N8N on AWS. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.